Lecture number 2nd, Introduction to Line, Rectangle and Circle command. In this lecture we are going to see the basic command that we are mostly utilizing whenever we are designing the solar power plant. One is the line command, mostly we are using. Freehand command is there, rectangle command is there, and the circle and arc command will be there. So one by one we are going to see these commands in the Google SketchUp software and how we can utilize this for the designing purpose. So basically when we see this screen of the Google SketchUp over here, actually they have given us the three axes over here, that is the X, Y and Z axis over here. So any 3D diagram we can just draw over this Google SketchUp software over here actually. So whenever we see the large toolset command box that we already have been imported from the view over here. So in this, the first command we're going to learn is the line command. So basically the line command is been denoted by the pencil command also. So whatever the exact line that we want in a straight line, that we can draw with the help of the line command over here. So let's say I'm going to draw the line of the distance of the 50 meter over here. So as soon as I'm typing here 50 meter, so on the lower side actually where the length has been written over here, 19.29 meter over here. So basically how much length you have to draw the line, only just type that particular integer number over here and automatically the line will be drawn according to that particular length. So let's say I'm drawing the line at a distance of 10 meter, let's say, enter. So I have to manually write the 10 meter over here, so that we can just write this particular line over here. And whenever we are measuring the distance of this line from one point to the another point, it will be the 10 meter over here. So like that, if I want to draw the another line, if I want to draw another line in the horizontal direction, so basically as good as we are moving the cursor by taking the line command, the color of this line will be coming as in green over here actually. It is coming as in green because this line what we are drawing, it is exactly parallel to this green axis, which is your X axis over here. So that is why whenever we are drawing any kind of a line in the Google SketchUp, some of the color coding we have to see over here. So let's say I am drawing the line in the vertical position. So you might have seen over here, the line that I am drawing, it is having the color of the blue. It means what? This line is exactly parallel to this vertical Z axis over here. So like that, if I want to draw the line in the horizontal manner, so I just write it over here, just moving the cursor, and I am entering the distance as an 15 meter over here, 15 and enter. Similarly, I am just writing the line in the horizontal manner. So if I want to move the cursor over here, basically the color of this line will be the red actually, which is your y axis over here, so that you can draw it over here like a parallel to this y axis. It means so it is color is appearing as an red over here. So I am just typing the number as an 10 over here, enter. So this is the length of the line what we have drawn, and once again we just draw the line up to the origin point, which is a 15 mm of a distance. So I just write it over here 15 mm, and we can just draw a line over here like this. So basically from the top view, if we visualize this particular object, it will be looking like as an rectangle that we have drawn. So likewise, with the help of the line command actually, we can draw any kind of a length of a line whenever we are drawing any kind of a construction inside the Google SketchUp software over here. Now we're going to learn the command of the rectangle command over here actually. So basically what we have taken, by considering the line, that is a 4 line we are drawing and we are making one rectangle. Similarly, if I am taking the rectangle command over here, so any point from the first point we have to select the corner of the rectangle, and we can give the upper left corner of this rectangle over here. So let's say I am giving the length of this rectangle as an 15 meter, comma 10 meter will be the width of this rectangle. So basically on the lower side when you see this dimension over here actually, so whatever we will going to type the integer digit for the length and the width, it will be coming over here actually in terms of the meter. So I am writing here 15 comma 10, so it will draws the rectangle of 15 comma 10. So whenever we visualize the object from the top of the view over here, it will be looking like as an exactly the rectangle over here. So like that, with the help of rectangle command, we can just obtain the polygon over here actually. That is a 4-side polygon we are drawing as a rectangle, or the square also we can draw with the help of this command. The next command we're going to see in this Google SketchUp is the circle command over here actually. So if I want to draw any hole of an object or any projected circle type of the object, if I want to draw, so that time we can use the circle command over here actually. So let's say I am drawing one circle, and with a radius of, whenever we read the corner of this dimension line over here, so it has mentioned like as the radius over here. So let's say I am taking the radius of this particular circle as in 7 meter over here, enter. So like that we can draw the any diameter or the any radius of the circle by using the circle command over here. Next command we're going to draw is the freehand sketch command. So basically with this freehand sketch, any kind of a sketch we can do in the Google SketchUp software. So if I want to do the painting in the software also, that is also you can possible with the help of this freehand command over here. Next command we're going to see is the arc command actually. So basically which angle if I want to draw the arc, that is also easily we can draw with the help of the arc command over here. So let's say this is my origin and this is my first point where I'm taking the arc. Up to what distance I want to draw the arc, it will going to draw this particular kind of the arc. So basically here if I want to see, I have drawn the quarter circle over here actually. So like that, if I want to draw the semicircle, quarter circle, or any kind of a sector actually, that you can easily draw with the help of the arc command over here. So basically whenever we are talking actually, so these are the very most important command that we are using, that is the line command, rectangle command, circle command and the arc command. These 4 commands we are using while construction of an object in the Google SketchUp software over here.